The best Airwallex plan for scaling SMEs is the one that delivers predictable costs, smooth global payments, and the flexibility to expand into new markets without unnecessary overhead. Airwallex is built for businesses that want to grow beyond their local borders, and the right plan focuses on reducing friction in every financial operation. Start with the plan that offers multi-currency wallets. This feature allows your SME to receive, hold, and send money in major global currencies without forced conversions. Instead of losing margin through repeated exchange cycles, you keep funds in dollars, euros, pounds, or any supported currency until you decide to convert. This protects your cash flow and gives you clearer control over international revenue. The next essential feature is competitive FX rates. Airwallex typically provides rates far lower than traditional banks, allowing SMEs to save meaningful amounts when paying suppliers or receiving payments from global customers. These savings compound as your transaction volume increases, making the plan more effective the faster you scale. A scalable Airwallex plan should also include borderless debit or virtual cards. These cards help manage team spending, automate expense tracking, and reduce time lost on manual reconciliation. You can issue multiple cards with customized spending limits tied directly to your multi-currency wallet, ensuring every dollar is fully accounted for. Another advantage is the ability to integrate with your finance tools. The best plan connects seamlessly with platforms like Shopify, Xero, and accounting or ERP systems. This keeps your SME operating efficiently as transaction volumes rise. Finally, prioritize a plan with no minimum balance requirements and clear, transparent fees. Predictability matters for any SME aiming to scale. Choosing this combination of multi-currency support, low FX rates, integrated tools, and cost transparency gives any growing business the structure it needs to expand confidently with Airwallex.